What's up guys, Bill from HoloModels RC. I've got my pre-foamed Sportster. A couple of you guys have asked me about a steerable tail wheel, so I made one. I'm gonna try it out. Now you can use it like an RC car. I haven't flown this model in quite some time, this specific one. I really like the Sportsters printed out of the lightweight. It makes a huge difference. This one's just been on the wall. Honestly, it needs to go. I've got a lot of stuff that I'm taking to Flight Fest, and I'd like to pull the motor and stuff out of this Sportster. Flies great though. It just doesn't have the real super slow flight characteristics as the lightweight PLA version does, is all. But hey, I made the steerable rudder for you guys. I'm not really going to use it probably. I'd like to keep mine as light as absolutely possible. Great flying airplane. If you're new to 3D printing or you are new to RC airplanes, this is definitely the perfect airplane to have. I did supply G-codes, so you don't really have to do a lot of work, just kind of hit print. There's a bunch of different G-codes also that you can use, and including Prusa Slicer G-codes. So with my Sportster, as soon as I update to 3.0, I have made the wings completely removable, and it's seeming to work out very well. And the steerable tail wheel is going to be a separate download that I'm going to put up there for free. Anybody interested in that? This would be a great time for you guys to hit the like button and or subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot of cool stuff this summer going on. I can't wait to get back from Flight Fest and work on my F22 pusher, mid-mounted pusher. I had to put that project on hold for the time being until after Flight Fest. I got too much going on. I'm making a 5.5 to 6 foot Superman, taking that to Flight Fest. I've got a huge F22 for battle, and then a bunch of other cool stuff that I've made also. So this airplane will never get old. I will print this until the day that I die. Hey guys, Bill from HoloModels RC. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and or subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Here's what the steerable tail wheel looks like. It can be added to existing prints. That was the goal. I didn't want to have to modify the rudder in any way or the back of the fuse, so that people could just add it to their print. And I'm pretty sure it'll fit the foam board Sportster also. You may just have to insert an extra piece of foam board right there. And I use the metal wire that I put inside the airframe. So it's simple and easy. The parts print solid. I do have a solid wheel. This is a TPU wheel with a rim.